Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about the difference between aqueduct, siphon aqueduct, and the difference between super passage and canal siphon. Okay, so actually these are the types of cross drainage work. What is cross drainage work? When canal and natural drainage cross each other, then we need to provide a structure, and this structure is called cross drainage work. So there are three types of cross drainage work. Uh, in one in one type, canal runs over the natural drain. Okay, and in the second type, natural drain runs over the canal, and in third type, admitting the drain water into canal. This is called level crossing or inlet and outlet. But in our today lecture, we will know the difference between these four. This is aqueduct, siphon aqueduct, super passage, and canal siphon. I will try to explain these in very simple words so that you could remember forever. And these are very important terms. It could be asked in interview, also in MCQs, also in tests. So one should learn the difference between these. Okay, what is aqueduct? Okay, so as you know, okay, that when canal goes over the natural drain, okay, then there would be two types. One would be called aqueduct and the other would call the siphon aqueduct. So what is the difference between these two? I will explain here. Here is the diagram of aqueduct. Okay, in this you can see canal is going over the natural drain. This is the drain, and the canal is going over the natural drain. Okay, so this is the high flood level of drainage, and this is the full supply level of canal. So there is the difference. There is the clear vertical clearance, okay, between the bed of the canal and the high flood level of drainage. Okay, due to only in aqueduct and siphon aqueduct, the difference is of vertical clearance. Okay, so if there is vertical clearance, there is a gap between high flood level and the bed of canal, then this is called aqueduct. In this type of grass drainage, the drain water is moving due to gravity. Okay, because they have clear vertical clear distance, so no need for pressure or anything else. In the siphon aqueduct, okay, you can see same same structure for aqueduct and siphon aqueduct, but only difference is the high flood level. In this type, the drainage high flood level is above the bed of the canal. Okay, you can see from this diagram, here is it's up, it's over the bed of the canal. So in this type there is no clear vertical clearance, as you can see in aqueduct. So the water will go due to pressure under this drainage structure. Okay, so inside, and this would be called siphon aqueduct. In siphon aqueduct, water flow or drainage flow would be due to pressure. Okay, and in the aqueduct it would be due to gravity. Okay, so now I will explain super passage and canal siphon. Super passage is the opposite of aqueduct, and canal siphon is the opposite of siphon aqueduct. Okay, in super passage, um, canal would be down, and drainage would be over the drainage canal. Okay, and same would be the difference between the flood full supply level and high flood level. Okay, it is just the opposite of aqueduct. Super passage is the opposite of aqueduct. Just canal would be down and drainage would be up. And canal siphon would be opposite of siphon aqueduct. Okay, in this canal would be just down, and drainage would be up, and the same would be the flood supply level of the canal siphon would be up than bed of the drainage. So I hope now you would understand the difference between aqueduct, siphon aqueduct, and super passage and canal